Hello mates, here I am with my friend Ken Lauders. He's a producer and he just make his room for production, for recording. So he's gonna explain us
recording room. So at first we need to make three factors that affect the audio in a studio. So three factors that isolate, absorption and reflection. At first we made the isolation of the room, so we have some material that make absorption and isolate the room from the outside, because we don't want the audio of outside, the sounds, and we neither do want the audio of the room get out of the room. So we need at first to isolate the room. Then before we made the absorption with an acoustic material that make absorption audio to evacuate the vibration of the sound and isolate the vibration out of the room. So we made isolation and then absorption, and at least we made the reflection. So in this room with a microphone of Medition microphone, we take the RT60, that is the early reflection of the room, the impulse response of the room with one frequency, and we start at 100 and then 1000 Ks and 20 Ks, and at least we make the early reflection. That's the reason, because we have this to improve the reflection of the RT60 of the room. And after all, we need the reflection bars that we don't have it already, but we are going to have it. And the best side we can record a voice enough is in this corner, because we cancel all the reflection, the early reflection, also the RT60 of the room, the impulse response, and that's the reason that we have the microphone in this. And for mixing, we have our monitors. This is equators, the 10, and or the original specification of these monitors. I prefer to front mixing, so that's the reason I don't have reflection, neither diffraction in this side of the room, because I want only the direct sound of the monitors to my ears. At first, the room didn't have balances at the ground, wasn't a physical ground. So in the circuits, inside the circuit, I put noise reduction rings. That is an iron ring, and can hold the ground, the physical ground of the room. So I make my own ground and put it down the building in the ground. So I have a real physical ground. The other apartments in the building don't have physical ground. And there is balance ground, because it's alternative
current.
So at first we don't have the physical ground. Then before, I have on my cables an iron ring. The interface has one, and all the cables. Only this one is more than 3 meters, so we need to make an 8 with your hand. If this cable is more than 3 meters, it's like if the frequency goes like this, you cancel with the. It's a physical cancellation of. No, estás.